Welcome the CS Tech Solutions. Today is Learn in Android. Today to learn the topics of wizards. First is TextView. In Android, the TextView is display the text to the users and optionally allows them to edit it programmatically, and the text view is a complete text editors, and however the basic class is configured to not allow the editings, but we can edit it. And view is the parent class of the text views, and beginning the subclass of the views. The text views component can be used in your app's GUI inside the view groups, or as content views of and the activities. And we can create a text views instance by declaring and it inside a layout XML files, and or by the inserting it the programmatically says the Java's class. XML code says the text views and Android colon IDs equal double quotes and @ ID slash and ID name, and Android colon the layout underscore width equal double quotes and wrap underscore content, otherwise match underscore parent, and same as height, and Android colon the text equal double quotes and text name as a Android and close, and the Java's code you declare the text layout text views at the text view, and object at the text view equal counts and text views, and find view by id counts r dot id dot id name and semicolon, and object name dot set text and counts and double quotes inside the Android, otherwise you write any text and semicolon, and set the text for the text view. Attributes of text views. And now let's we discuss about the attributes that helps us to configure the text views in your XML files. And id is a attribute that used to uniquely identify the text views, and below is the examples of the code in which we set for the IDs of the text views. Text view inside the Android colon the IDs equal double quotes and @ ID slash and ID names, and Android colon the layout underscore width equal the wrap underscore content, and same as height Android colon the layout underscore height equal the wrap underscore content, is id is fetch the XML layout text view to the Java's code. IDs is important. Second attribute is a gravity. The gravity attribute is a optional attribute, and which is the use to control the alignment of the text, like as right, left, center, top, bottom, center underscore vertical, center underscore horizontal, etc. And below the examples of codes with the explanations include in which we set the center underscore horizontal gravities for the text of text views, and text view inside Android colon the id is equal the id, and Android colon layout underscore width, Android colon the layout underscore height, Android colon the layout Android colon the text, and Android colon the text size, and Android colon the gravity equal double quotes and center underscore horizontal. you have the different option as left, right, center, top, bottom, and close. And the comment lines is center the horizontal gravities. Comment is optional. Third is text. Text attribute is used to set a text in a text views, and we can set a text in the XML as well as Java's class, and below the examples codes, and we have to explain the include in which we set the text and Android in a text views at the text view inside Android colon the ID is equal the ID, and Android colon the layout underscore width, Android colon the layout underscore height, Android colon the layout underscore central in parent is equal to true is a center layouts, and Android colon the text size is a text size 25 sp, and Android colon the text double equal double quotes, and Android any text is right and close, and comment is display the text in as Android. Fourth attribute is text color. Text colors attribute is used to set text colors of the text views, and the color values is forms of has ARGB, and has RGB, and has RRGGBB, or has ARRGGBB. The R is red, G is green, and B is blue. Is combinations of three colors. And below the examples of the code with the explanations included in which we set red colors of display the text view inside Android colon the ID, Android colon the layout underscore width, Android colon the layout underscore height, Android colon the text, and Android colon the layout underscore central in parent, and Android colon the text size, and Android colon the text colors equal, and double quotes has F00 and close is a comment as a red colors for a text views. And now the changes in Java's class to the colors as a text view and object equal, and comes my text view and find view by ID, and write ID in counts capital R dot ID dot, and ID name, and object name text view dot set text color counts ma color dot colors name, and comment as a set red colors for the text views is optional. Fifth is attribute is text size. Text size attribute is used to set size of the text of our text views, and we can set text size in SP is a scale independent pixel, and DP is a densities pixel, and below is examples of the codes we which we set the 20 SP's size for the text of the text views, and text views inside Android column the IDs, layouts, height, width, and text, and layout underscore central in parent, and layout colon the text size equal, and double quotes, and 40 SP and close, and now has changed not a XML file as a Java's files, you change the size The text views as object is right and dot set text size and counts as a size is changed as a 20 and semicolon has a size is changed. Six attributes is text styles, and text styles attributes is used to set text styles of the text views, and it is possible the text styles are bold, italics, and normals. And if we need to use two or more styles for the text views, and then I operators is used to use for that, and below is the examples of the code which explain the include in which we set the bold and italics text styles of the text. The text views inside the IDs layout at width and text and layouts underscore center in parent and text size and text styles. Android colon the text styles equal double quotes and bold vertical bars and italics. The both the styles is included in the text and close. Seventh is a background. As a background attributes is used to set up backgrounds of the text views, and we can set colors or drawables in backgrounds of the text views. And padding is it is a padding attributes is used to set padding so from left, right, top, bottoms, in above the examples of the code and backgrounds. We also set 10 dps paddings from all the sides of the text views, and below is the examples of the codes we explanations include in which we set black colors of the backgrounds and white colors of display the text in set 10 dps paddings from all the sides of the text views Android colon the IDs equal the double quotes and @ plus ID slash the IDs names Android colon the layout underscore width equal the wrap contents and height equal the wrap content and text equal the Android and text size equal the 40 sp and padding equal the double quotes and 10 dp and text colors equal has fff and Android colon the backgrounds equal has 000 and close. Thank you to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel on the notification and bell icon. Thank you so much.